In this video, guys, I want to do a part 2 of the Bauer 6-gallon wet-dry shop vac. Now in part 1, I gave kind of a full review of this thing, and I would say go ahead and take a look at that video, as I felt like it was fairly comprehensive. But one issue I had was with respect to the filters. As you know, in order to get filters for this, you're supposed to call the customer service number featured on the website. I tried that, and unfortunately, I was just placed on hold and I never was able to get through. After 20 minutes, I decided to hang up and do my own research. And I think I found the correct filter for this. But before going to that step of buying the filter, I've tried something else and I want to share it with you guys. So what I've done is I've essentially taken the filter and I've covered it, as you can see, with a high quality paper towel, and I've wrapped it around and used painter's tape, and I've essentially made this into my own pre-filter. And I've been using this to vacuum things up, and it's been very effective for me. So I'm not telling you to go do this. It may be a situation where I'm putting air constriction on the motor and I'm somehow going to burn out the motor. If I do, that's on me. I'm going to just say, look, that's my dumb fault. I don't sense any difference in the way the motor operates with my little paper towel pre-filter on it, but certainly it could happen. So I'm not saying go do this, but this is something I've been experimenting with and using, and it captures all of the dirt in the paper towel, which you then just tear off and throw away. And of course, a lot of dirt falls into the bucket as well. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share this with you, that before I go down the route of buying filters for this thing, I'm going to go ahead and use the paper towel technique. I saw another guy on YouTube do this with woodworking, and it was very effective for his woodworking practice. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. Overall, I think the vacuum is a pretty good quality vacuum that I've had good results with. I've been pretty happy with it. But the filter is the one issue on this thing, and that's my way. So far, that's been my way of getting around this. One other issue is how often do you change the filter with the paper towel pre-filter? I would say if you vacuum your car out maybe 4 times, then you're ready to change the paper towel. Or any significant job where you really are vacuuming up a lot of stuff, I would say go ahead and put on another paper towel pre-filter. The paper towel pre-filter probably takes like maybe 5-6 minutes to do. It's not very hard, just easy to do with the painter's tape. But I don't think you want to let it get super clogged up. I think that would be a bad idea. So anyway, guys, that's what I'm doing, is maybe after the 4th time I use it to vacuum out my car or one of my vehicles, then I'm going to go ahead and change it after it kind of really gets caked, with dust and dirt. And so anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you guys do well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.